Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be taking through on how to create these nice cards. As you can see, these are business cards with a logo here, brand name, tagline. The cards are minimalistic, very clean, with less details. So as you can see, I have some kind of a mockup. You can see here, these are the same cards. And the app or the software we'll be using Affinity Designer, which is easy to learn. So to start with, I want to insert artboard here. As you can see, I have two artboards. If I double click on this title bar, I can name it like let me say front underscore card. You can hold your middle mouse button, drag, double click, back underscore card, click OK. Then to start with, I'm going to create this rectangle with a nice deep blue color. Just come here to rectangle. I have my snapping enabled, so just click and drag. There, the fill is white. So as for now, I have some presets and I know this is the color, the deep blue color, so I can click and boom, it's there. Then I have this logo. I'm not going to create this logo. This was a simple logo. I created it. What I can do, I can just double click. Let me come to the name. It's back. And come here. Find this group here. First of all, let me unlock. Come to this group. Control copy. Can come here. Control V. And here is our logo. Then the fonts which I used here, it's called Uniform Extra Condensed, which I downloaded the fonts from the fonts. So I'm not going to type the whole thing. I can just hold Control on Windows and Command on Mac, then drag with Shift, and there we have. This is brand name. Then after brand name, you'll find most of the time after brand name we have a slogan here, or rather a tagline. Just click, hold Control or Command and drag. There we are. We have our back fully created. Then this is my front. Here we are. For this one, as you can see, I have 3 rectangles. Then I have another rectangle here with rounded corners. So to start with, I'm going to create a full rectangle all the way up to there. The fill should be white, so I have this white color here on my presets. That's it. Then I want to scale it to half, to snap there. Then I can hold Control, can come here to, I can press down V. While on V, you can hold Control and drag. Then for this one, you can just eyeball it somewhere there. Then you can hold V, Control, I drag it. Then I can come here. There we are. So as you can see, we have white, we have grayish, then we have a full gray. So what you can do, come here, this is white, then this one, don't know which color is it from my presets, but okay, I can come here, this is pure white. Then this one, this, you can see a little bit of gray. Just look at this wheel. Then we have this one, you can click it there. I want now to create this trapezium like rounded corners, and come to this, Control C, Control V for copy, just reduce it until it snaps there. You can see the color, it's this deep blue here. Just click, come here, and it extends up to the to this gray rectangle, maybe somewhere there. Then you can come to this corner tool, just drag the two, I want to create some maybe this way, but also I want to move these corners. Just come to node tool, move this node down while holding shift. Something there. You can just eyeball it. Also, I want to increase my corners here, somewhere there. So you can see this one is extending too much. Let's come here. Also the size, can increase the size a little bit upwards and align it to the center till snap. Then I have these rectangles. Just come here, rectangle, create, holding down shifts, just create a rectangle here, drag it, we change the color to white, And while I'm on here, can scale it down. Yeah. Then I'm going to press enter. You'll have this pop-up. Come here to duplicate. Can make it 3. Can come here to vertical distance. Let me try 2. Let me give it 8. No, let me come to 7. I think 7 will be enough. Still not that much. Come to 6. I think 6 is fine. Yeah, I think this one is fine with me. Come here and click OK. Let me scale this one down a little bit. Can hold shift, bring it down, and arrange it there. So you can see there is some variation, but something like that. Come here, can hold shift, then arrow up 1, shift, arrow down 1, 2, then this one 1, this one. I can reduce this. Yes, select all, drag them there. Then can come here. You have this corner tool, highlight, bring down this to there. So you can see I have 2mm. Come down to this 2mm. This one here, two millimeter. That's good. Then next we have this font here. We have S for street, P for phone number, E for email, and we have this this W for web address. I'll not be typing the all of it, so just come to front, which is this one, find the group, come to this group. This group, I have another group within it, and I have this. What I can do, can drag while holding control all the way to here, and here we are. You can do the same to others, or you can drag holding control and shift, releasing. You can double click, street, phone, email. As you can see, they're not aligned. Just click S, hold down shift, click the other one, just align them that way. Can do all of them. This one is okay. Yeah, there we are. The next we have this one. You can hold down Control or Command on Mac, drag all the way up to there. This one is a group, so what I'm going to do, just right click and group, delete that, come here, there we are. Holding down Control, just drag there. What I can do here, website, so your website .com. Just write anything. This one, your email .com. You can leave it at your email, whatever you'll be writing as your email. Phone number, come here, plus 00 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 maybe 8 9 0 1, and this one can leave it there. Now as you can see, the only remaining part, this one, can drag. I just grouped it, Control Shift, place it there. Just make sure it's the middle of this rectangle. There we are. Now we are done. We are done here. So you can see this is all. Then next, for the mockup, what I did, I came here, File, I created a new A4 size. Here it is. Came to create. Then from here, I made some rectangle here. Just rotated it at 45 degree or 30 degree. Extended it all the way. There we are. I can come to this. I have this color here. You can copy the hexa. Come here. Come to the Control V. Enter. So this is what I did. Came here. Control, drag a copy. Just create whatever you want to create. Here, come here to corners, this way, come to this, control, hold, there we are, can scale it, just create something to your liking, there we are, maybe an eclipse here, an ellipse or a circle, maybe somewhere there. Alternatively, if you want them to be straight, you can come and rotate this to 0 this way, click, holding shift, align them at the center, then rotate them, holding shift this way. Then as you can see, when I come to this mockup, it's made up of gradients, especially these two and these ellipses. So I can come here while I'm on this, come to gradient tool, which is this one, just click and drag maybe up to this one, again click, drag, depending with what you want, click, drag. Then from there I came to these cards, but something we forgot. So you can see here we have a shadow, but there is no shadow here. So you can click this rectangle, come to layers effects, click, come to highlight outer shadow, check it, then from there can increase the radius and come to angle, have radius angle, then offset, okay, I think something here. So you can see it's at the back of this rectangle, so the shadow parts is behind this rectangle. So what I can do, can just drag and drop it between there. You can see our effects, and you can come here and adjust it. If you want something soft, for this one, so what you can do, just intensity, adjust it, reduce the offset a little bit, radius is okay, that way. So from here you can close this window. Here we are, just drag, highlight, control copy or control C to copy. Then you can come to this untitled, can control V to paste. You can come here, here. Then from this, what you can do, you can come here and group it, name it card, front or back. You can say card front. So we need to create a shadow. So you can see we have some shadow here, but it's only for this rectangle. So what you can do, just come to rectangle tool, create a rectangle, give it white fill, then send it to the back. This should be part of this you can control Z, or the best way, you can come here. While on this, just create it from here. It will be easier to export it. Then send to the back. I want it with a white fill. Control copy. Enter to our mockup. Control V. Control G for group. You can see this is grouped. So we can delete and copy this name here. Then you can delete this one. Come here. Control V. Enter. Can also but one thing we should do, you see these ones, they're all rectangles, but when you export it, this other white part will be transparent. So what we can do, can create a rectangle, give it a white fill, send it to the back. There we are. Then from this ellipse all the way to a rectangle, you can group and say like a background, BG for background, enter. Now what we can do, we have this card here. I want it to have a shadow, so I can come to outer shadow, create. We have just create some radius, set it a little bit, also some intensity. You can make it soft. You can increase radius a little bit, intensity down. Just do it to your liking, depending with the outcome you want to achieve. Mine, I think this is okay here. This is good. Can close the window. Then can come to cut it this back here, control copy, then control V, as you can see. I think we have can delete that, come here again, yeah, control copy, control C, and while you are here, control V for paste, also group, control G for group. Now there we are, we have our two cards. Can place them the way we like. Then for this group I also need a layer, and come here and let me see if you can be able to copy the effects. Okay, you can see that. What I can do, can come and create another effect on this layer. So, or rather, let me try something. Oh, we can't do that. So, let me go the long way. Shadow, radius, offset, intensity, I think this is okay. So we have our two cards, but if you go back to this mockup here which I created, we have beveled corners or round corners on these cards. So I want us to go the same way. So what I can do, just close this effect here, come to this mockup, double click, that you can select this rectangle here, come here to corner tools. The other mockup was at a radius of 8. So what I can do, just highlight this, come here, hold shift, just drag here, come here. We have a radius of 8 as shown here on top. That's fine. Then for this one, we have this rectangle first. What you can do on this corner tool, hold shift, align the two, come here to 8, let's make them the same. Then you can hold V, click on that, bring this down to 8. This one is okay. And come to this one here, our corner tool, bring this all the way to 8. There. I think we have white coming. Come to this. And this can try and fix this. No. Not that. Yes, double click. Have the group here. Just make it to your liking this way. I think we are done. From here, you can add anything else you want to add. I think that's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like my channel. Stay blessed.